We're lining back up on that tree limb.
Alright, YouTube world. This is the easiest way to catch a swarm. Especially when they come to you. They're on the ground. My buddy Paul here is going. That's a decent sized swarm. It'll be kind of hard to get this frame in there on them. What we're doing is putting a frame of old brood comb up against the swarm. The bees should walk right up on the brood comb. You look at, you give them a minute, look at what's on there. If you find the queen, great. If you don't, shake them into your box. We got a jester box here. Everybody's fanning already, so I wonder if she's already stepped off on the frame. Don't know. Keep it up above the swarm, let the bottom of the frame touch the swarm, and they'll just walk right up on the frame. Bees love to walk up. You'll watch these videos where people shake them on the sheet and run the sheet up to a hive. Watch them do what they call the march. They'll march right up in that hive once you get mama in there.
You want to turn the comb around?
Yeah, let's see what we got. Alright, that's what we got so far. Of course, we're out here with nothing on. Swarms are the gentlest you'll find your bees. Alright, I do not see her on this. So we're going to rotate comb out. Close the lid so those bees don't fly back out. People are terrified of swarms. As you can see, ouch. Just squished a girl on my leg. Didn't even know she was there, trying to get my face in the picture. Just shows you that you don't have to be scared of the bees. Paul's a second-year beekeeper. He's done a lot of research on buckfast queens. And that's what I run, is mostly buckfast and Caucasian. Let's pull that around here so you can see these girls marching up on that frame. This is a lot easier than shaking them off onto a sheet, having 9 million bees in the air. All right, let's see what we got this time. This will be a virgin queen in here. We've already caught one swarm in another tree or bush. It's from a hive that I made queenless to graft into, and then I never got around to grafting into it. So they made their own queen. And we've had two queens that decided they didn't want to stay there.
You want to put the empty side over here?
Let's just go ahead and shake these in. Well, that one's got more bees on it than the other one, so ball of bees is good. 6 inches below the bottom of the frame in this little bush. Oh well, we'll pause it and start back when we've got the queen. Start the video. Alright guys, right there she is. That's one. Paul thinks he sees another one. We'll go ahead and drop her off in the box with the rest of the bees.
Just picked up. He just got more excited.
These have handles. Queens have handles. Reach in and grab them. Just now that we know she's in the box.
I think my eyes may have played tricks on me because I'm not seeing her unless she's just on the back side here. Right there, Max. We've had it drone.
I was looking at that little clock. Well, you know what we can do?
Put the cone back in there.
Put the cone back in there and see what happens. Sorry about that.
That's alright, I'm just going to sit down on the bush. Hopefully it still looks right when I get off.
I ain't worried about it. The swarm's more important than the bush. Alright ladies, I'm going to open it up so you girls can go on in. Now that we definitely have the mama. At least one of them. Right here, so they're fanning at the front of the box. For Roy Hubbard, this is your way of making splits. It's the way Roy makes splits. He lets them swarm and goes and catches them.
That's the way my grandfather did it.
There's a lot of people out there that believe this is the best way. We'll get some comb drawn doing it this way. See anything?
I don't. The behavior here should tell us something. Fanning.
But they're also fanning her pheromone that's left on the stick.
They
See
want
what
to shake
happens.
these off.
Yeah, just get them in the air and see what happens. Because I just dumped these girls in front of the box, and they're marching in. And then you just sit there and kind of watch the branch, and if she lights back on it, you pick her off real quick before they cluster around her. Well, I'd say that's it, because these girls are marching right on in. They're fanning and saying mama's in the box. Alright guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks to Paul for helping me out today. He just came by maybe 30 minutes prior. Hit the like, subscribe, share the video. Hope it was education.